See, it's a wrong notion that many people do think that autopsy is only limited to accident, suicide, and murders, and those we call it as medical legal postmortems. But postmortem examination is also very important to understand the disease process, the outcome of the disease process. So this is how, as we take back to any of those diseases which have been successfully treated until today, that the treatment modalities which was derived based on the understanding of the post-mortem examinations pertaining to those diseases like tuberculosis, the malaria, or even plague, or even many of the cancers or the sarcomas, what we have come to know, it's only after the clinical autopsies or the pathological autopsies based on this, the effects of those diseases on the organs, the effect of the infections, bacterial or viral on the organs, that has been meticulously studied, both gross and the microscopic features. And based on this, the treatment modalities have been derived. Similarly, in COVID-19, it's very important for us to do the clinical autopsies or the pathological autopsy to understand the disease process or the outcome of the disease process. Yes, it has always been surprised that why when the Italians or Americans or the British have conducted the postmortem, why Indians we need to do the postmortems. As you know, it's always been well known that the genetic study of this virus has been clearly demonstrated of the existence of different strains. So the strains which in Italy or British or the USA, they are totally different from what we have it in India. Even in India, which have a diverse genetic morphology, that means there are different strains have been found. Hence, it is very important for us to understand the effects of this different strain of virus on the different set of individuals, especially the male and female, the young and the old, the individuals with the morbid and the comorbid conditions. So this is how it has to be categorized, and you need to understand the effects of those infections due to SARS-CoV-2 virus on these individuals. And it is mainly based on these effects we should derive the clinical management. So that's what is the importance of clinical autopsies or pathological autopsy in case of COVID-19 infection. See, the precautions is very important to undertake cases of this nature. I think doctors should be well versed in handling the high-risk autopsies, especially the autopsies due to infectious diseases. All precautions and the care need to be taken by the doctor who conducts the postmortem. He should have the utmost safety measures. One is to prevent the infections to his own self, and the other thing is to contain the infections, to take all measures to prevent the further spread of the infections. So, and apart from the spreading of infection to the personnel involved in conducting the autopsy, at the same time the persons involving the handling of the specimens, the handling of the body until the cremation. So all these are the very important precautions even during the dissection process. It's a very standard precautions as descriptions given in the high-risk autopsies has to be taken and had to be adopted, and or else that will become a source of spread of the infection.